Hello guys, so we are back again, and in this session we are going to do some more question on the type 4, okay, which we have started in the previous session. We are going to continue that, and we are going to do some more problems on that, okay. So the next problem which we are going to do is as follow. But before starting with the session, hope you have subscribed the channel, okay. Now let's begin with the question. The question which we are going to take is as follow. The question is, if question is solve, okay, 2x log x minus xy into dy plus 2y into dx equals to 0. Now, so how you will start, okay. So we are going to write each and every step, don't worry. Now, so comparing given differential equation with what we are going to compare, m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy equal to 0. So what we will get, m of x comma y is nothing but, you can say 2y, and n of x comma y, you can say it is nothing but 2x log x minus xy. So now don't get confused. In the part with which dx is attached will be what, your m of x comma y, at the part with which dy is attached will be your n of x comma y. So don't get confused. Now your next job is to get dou m by dou y, which will be nothing but 2 in this case. But if you see, if you look for dou n by dou x, it is nothing but 2 log x minus wait, here product rule will be applied, 2 only 2 minus y, okay. So here we got this thing, and here we got this thing. Now if you observe which thing which we can use, okay, here which thing we can use to simplify our equation. So if you observe the things which are given, you have to identify first m of x comma y and n of x comma y, and then you have to move on. And this is the simple process which you need to follow in all the problems, okay. There is no large variation in all the problems. So you can clearly say that dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x, okay. So given differential equation is not exact, okay. So this you can clearly say that it is not exact. Now one more, now you know that it is not exact, so you have to make it exact. For that you need to get the integrating factor. For that you will try to get whether it will be dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, or dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y upon m or n respectively. So here if you observe, if we do dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, then what we will get, here 2 will cancel out, and here if I divide by m, taking x common from this, we will get the same thing only. So okay, so what we are going to do, take dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So let's do this. So if we do this, dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x upon, this is what, our n, so we'll try to bring n. So here m is what, 2 minus 2 log x plus 2 minus y. The moment you do this upon this thing, 2x log x minus xy. Now you can clearly see you have to take x common from here, 2 will get cancel out. So n minus thing we will take outside only. So minus, and everything will be rest same only, 2 log x minus, okay, minus y. And here what you are going to take the x common, which will give you 2 log x minus y. The moment you do that, you can clearly see the both are the same. So you're getting minus 1 upon x as your what, integrate as this value which you will call f of x. Now you know integrating factor. What is integrating factor? It is nothing but e to the power f of x dx, okay. So before this step, what you are going to do, get f of x into dx. It will be nothing but integral minus 1 upon x into dx, which will be nothing but minus ln x, okay. So if we substitute this thing here in the integrating factor, what we are going to get, after this step you have to do this step, therefore, and after this you have to write integrating factor is equals to, which is the required formula. So if you do this, what you are getting, in the integral you just substitute this value. The moment you substitute minus ln x, you are going to get Okay, this power will move here and you are going to get -1, which is nothing but x power -1, which is nothing but 1 by x. So this is your required integrating factor. Now to make the given differential equation exact, multiply it by integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? 1 by x. We get what we are going to get if we multiply. Let's see what we are going to get if we multiply. What we are going to get, so 1 by x, keep it as it is, and here just write the equation, which is 2y dx plus 2x log x minus xy into dy. Now why I wrote this first? Because our standard form is m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy equal to 0. So if I multiply, what I'm going to get, you can clearly see we are going to get a something equation which is x by y, okay, y by x, sorry. So 2y by x dx plus here log x will be there only, and here also y will be there. So this is the thing which we are getting. Now the above equation is exact, and its solution is given by remember the formula what we used to use, which was integral m of x comma y dx, where y is what? Constant. Okay, remember y was constant, plus integral n of x comma y terms free from x, and if you do that, here c will be there. Just substitute the value, which is 2y by x into dx. You have to put this, y is constant. Integral n of x, which is free from x, which is nothing but minus y, you can see, which is free from x here. So minus y dy should be equals to what? It will be constant. The moment you do that and integrate, what you are going to get? 2y. Okay, this is constant, this whole thing is constant, only this thing integral you are going to do, which is log x. And after this moment, if you do the integral of this is nothing but minus y square by 2, which will give you your final answer. So hope you have understand this question properly. It was very simple question. Now let's move on to the next question. So if we move on to the next question, what we can see, so the next question is as follow. The next question says, if 3x square minus y square into dy minus 2xy dx is equals to 0, how you are going to solve this? So here first thing you have to do is comparing with the standard equation, and then you will move on. Okay, and I have told you how to identify. That process is very simple. Okay, you have to look for the basic steps. Now let's go and check whether it can be solved by this method or not. Okay, so if we do comparing the given differential equation with what we are going to compare, m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy equal to 0. So what you are going to get? M of x comma y is not, check the dx attached part, which is minus 2xy. Okay, and if you check n of if you want to look for n of x comma, which is dy attached part, which is nothing but 3x square minus y square. The moment you do that, okay, now your next job is to get dou m by dou y, which is nothing but minus 2x, and your job is to get dou n by dou x, which is nothing but 6x, sorry, and this will become 0. The moment you got this, you can clearly make out that dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. So not a exact differential equation. You can say this is very simple step. Okay, after this, what you have to do, you have to make it exact. For that you need to get the integrating factor. For the integrating factor, you need to get whether it will be dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, or dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. So you have to identify any one of them. So if you have to identify, you have to observe these two, which one will be more comfortable on this. So if you look, if I take this minus this, what we are going to get? 8, and here if you divide, we are going to get y. So our job will be simple in this case. Okay, just cancel this out, it is wrong. Okay, so we are going to divide by m. That thing is very confirm, because this part is m. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, if you are getting confused, then write it first and then write this, because our standard format is this. writing dx part first. Okay, so they to make the student confused, they write it after dy. Okay, that is the variation they can do to make you confused. So after this identifying, you will do what? Therefore dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, the whole upon y is nothing but what you can see, dou n by dou x is what? 6x minus into minus 2x, the whole upon y. Y is what? Sorry, m. Okay, m is what? M is what? What is m? The thing which is m here is this thing, so you will substitute here minus 2xy. So what you have here? 8x. Okay, you have here 8x. So 8x divided by, this will become 8x divided by minus 2xy, which will give you your final answer. This will cancel out and here 4 will be left, minus 4 by y, right? So after getting this, what you are going to do? You are going to go for integrating factor, but integrating factor in that you require, this is what? G of y. So you require integral g of y dy. So you are going to first calculate that integral g of y dy, which will be nothing but integral minus 4 by y into dy. If you observe, this is nothing but minus 4 log y. So you will move this power here and you will write it log y to the power minus 4. After this you can get the integrating factor, which is e to the power integral g of y dy. Just substitute the dy value here, e to the power log y to the power minus 4. The moment you substitute y to the power minus 4, 1 by y to the power 4. Okay, so you are getting this thing. After getting this thing, what you can do is that just now multiply the given differential equation with integrating factor 1 by y raised to 4 to make it exact. So if we multiply, what we are going to get? So if you multiply 1 by y by 4 with the given differential equation, which was what? 3x square minus y square into dy, okay, minus 2xy into dx, right, equals to 0. So if you multiply, what you are going to get? Just cancel out the things which you can see they are cancelling out, and then look for the things which you cannot cancel out. So here 3x square by y power 4 will be there. Here 1 by y power square will be there, because this 2 will cancel out this 2, and 2 y power 1 by y square will be left. And here 1y will cancel out and 2x by y cube will be left as dx. Now the above differential equation is exact and its solution is given by what was the formula? Integral m of x comma y dx, where y was what? Constant. Remember, y constant. Integral n of x comma y terms free from x bracket dy equals to constant. The moment just substitute the values, this is your dx, minus 2x by y cube into dx, y constant, plus integral. The moment you write this, just try to get the terms which are free from x. Okay, what are the terms which are free from x? You can see only one term which is free from x, and there is no other term which is free from x. So here this is the only where is this? This is the only term which is free from x. So minus 1 by y square into dy should be equal to constant. The moment you go for its integration, you can clearly see here square will appear, and here in the denominator 2 will appear. So 2 will cancel out. So what we are going to get? Minus x square by y cube. And here minus, if you try to integrate this, okay, what you are going to get? Minus into minus 1 by y. Okay, so equal to c. So finally minus x square by y cube plus 1 by y equals to c. So this is your answer. Hope you have understand each and every step. So this was our second problem. Now let's move on to the next problem. So now let's move. So the next problem which we are going to take is this, which is as follow. The problem says bracket 2x square 2xy square minus y into dx plus x into dy equal to 0. So how we are going to solve this? The problem is very easy. You have to follow the steps, which was comparing the given differential equation with m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy equal to 0, where what you will get, m of x comma y is what? Check the dx attached part, which is what? 2xy square minus y, and n of x comma y attached part, which is your x. The moment you do that, now you're going to check for dou m by dou y, which is what? 4xy minus 1, and you're going to check for dou n by dou x, which is nothing but 1. So you can clearly see that dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore the given differential equation is not exact. To make it exact, you have to check whether what you have to do. So if we do dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, this one will add on, and here if I take y outside, okay, so 2xy will be there. Okay, so our job will become easy. Okay, so let's do this. So what we are going to do, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y the whole upon m. So just substitute the value 1 minus 4xy minus 1 upon 2xy square minus y. If you see, what we are getting, 4xy plus 2 the whole upon, if you take 2 outside from here and y from here, so what we are going to get, 2xy minus 1, and here in the top if you take minus 2 outside, what you are going to get, 2xy minus 1 the whole upon y into 2xy minus 1. So you can see this will cancel out, minus 2 by y, which is your required thing. Since y is present, so we will call it g of y. Now in the integrating factor, it is what? E to the power integral g of y dy. So you know integral g of y dy will be required. So this thing will be required, minus 2 by y into dy. So if we integrate, minus 2 log y will be there. Okay, so here you are getting this. Okay, then you will move this 2 power in the top, you will get this. So integrating factor is what? Integrating factor is e to the power g of y dy. Just substitute the value, e to the power log y to the power minus 2, which will give you y to the power minus 2 1 by y square. After getting this, what you can do is go for looking this thing. What I'm telling is multiply. Okay, now multiply the given differential equation with integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? If you see, integrating factor is nothing but 1 by y square. So if you multiply it by 1 by y square, what you are going to get? You are going to get something like 2xy square minus y into dx. First let's multiply x into dy equal to 0. The moment you multiply 2x, this will go on 1 by y into dx. The next thing is x upon y square into dy equal to 0. So after this, so the above differential equation is exact, and its solution is given by, how the solution is given by, integral m of x comma y dx plus integral n of x comma y terms free from x into dy should be equals to constant. Here y should be constant. So the moment you substitute this thing, 2x minus 1 by y into dx, y constant, here this will be 0 dy because no terms free from x is present. The moment you do that, 2x square by 2 will be there, and here 1 by y x, and here 0 will be as it is, and constant, there will be constant. After this, x square minus x by y equals to c. This is your required answer. So in this session we are going to do this number of questions. Okay, hope you have understand each and every step. Now in the next session we are going to continue with more problems. okay, and which will be the last session for the fourth type of problems, and then we will move on to the next type. Thank you for watching the lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.